Hi, I'm Vinod. This is a short video for intermediate milestone of educational technology course. I'm the only member in the team. I'll talk about my app KinoCode. The name is a portmanteau of keynotes plus codes. It's to incite interview preparation by providing problem seeds. What's a problem seed? KinoCode game gives you some context around a problem and solution provoking you to learn more about it. It also gives you mind maps with an easy representation of solution derived from quiz you played. I'm using Meteor framework to develop my app. Meteor is a full-stack JavaScript platform for developing modern web applications. Meteor integrates with Cordova to build mobile apps from same codebase you use to create regular web apps. I used AngularJS for development, and deploying on Android or iOS is easy to with Meteor with the same codebase. We can deploy on Heroku to use it as a web app. Let me walk you through my codebase. This is KinoCode codebase. I have a main.js with all the routes set up. Each route is for page of KinoCode. I have a template URL and there's a controller which powers the templates with data. I have one route for homepage, one for begin quiz page, one for mind maps page, and I'll have one for scores page. I have Amazon S3 to store all my static content of the KinoCode. Let's have a look at the demo for KinoCode. This is a widget which is obtained by using Accounts UI package of Meteor. You can sign up with your email ID. You can also use different variations of Accounts UI package for Twitter and Facebook authentication. Once you sign up and log in, you'll see a menu at the bottom of the page. This is a signed in version of the tool. You can see a menu at the bottom of the page, a button for starting the quiz, one for mind maps page, one for the scores page. I'll go and click on begin quiz. You can see the quiz question. Each quiz question has different parts. One is the question text. Some questions have question image, which is stored as a static URL on Amazon. That will be shown below the question if there's an image. After the question, there's a partial solution, which will leave some spaces for the user to fill in. Here, this is a pseudocode for this particular question, and the portion of the pseudocode that's left over is filled from the answer choices by the user. I click on it and submit. Once I submit the quiz questions and the answers, the representation of solution is stored as a mind map in the mind maps page. This is a mind map for the question I answered, which is a pseudocode for that question. For some different question, it would be a flowchart or a diagrammatic representation of the solution. In the future version of my app, I'll have an implementation for quiz rounds with a concept of 10 questions per round. I'll also have more variations of questions with different mind map representations and also online links tagged to answer choices to know more about the keywords. And I'll also have a scores page with scores for different rounds in the game. That's all for the milestone 1. Looking forward for milestones 2 and thank you for watching this video.